What is up, YouTube? Let me ask you something. When was the last time you had to come up with a bonus for a product that you were promoting? And trust me, it's not as easy as it sounds. It's a pain in the neck. I have to do it constantly. I hate doing it, but now I found something that really shortens it, the whole process. Unfortunately, I can't use this to generate the bonus for this product, but I might be using it to generate bonuses for future projects. This is really cool. It's called a cheat sheet generator. It's from my friend Alessandro Zamboni. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming right up in my review of the cheat sheet generator software as a service. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat. And why is that? Well, that's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be a stale as well. Last week's New York bagels. There comes a time when you have to just give up. Anyhow, seriously though, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products, and they make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Okay, Bart, this is enough. Okay, you know my cats are fighting in the background over there because they're annoyed with you. That's why they're fighting. They're saying, when is Daddy gonna finally get Bart a new line? I can't get you a new line. You gotta do it for yourself, Bart. Seriously. Anyway, seriously. The way these work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you so much, Liz. I mean, see, Liz also says the same thing every day, but she's a fellow New Yorker. I can't get angry at her. Anyhow, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we are looking right now. This is the sales page for the Cheat Sheet Generator Software as a Service, or SaaS for short. I know it's not the most imaginative of names, but it doesn't have to be imaginative because this is a really cool thing. I am loving this product, and these are some of Alessandro's sales numbers from things that he's been able to use these things with in order to make sales from deliberately. It's like specifically, you can see all these cheat sheets. He's created these things using this exact software. This software just makes money for him, and it can make money for you. It's so cool. I'm going to show you how it works in just a second. I do want to tell you about my custom bonus, and I have to really think, what could I offer? Because this is basically a bonus generator built in. It's insane how good this thing is. I am loving this thing. So I thought to myself, okay, well, if you're trying to put together products, maybe you need a list of hot trending topics. And so I put together a list of the 100 best topics to make blog posts or other materials about. Plus, I'm also going to show you how to find the most recently trending stuff so that you can actually take advantage when there's something hot going on in the news or whatever. You can take advantage of that and kind of piggyback onto it in order to make more sales. So you're going to be getting both of those things from me for free, included as my custom bonus when you pick up the cheat sheet generator from me. I want to show you how the software works because this is really wild stuff. And by the way, it's super cheap. It's $17. Okay, and when you see what this does, you're going to be like, oh my God, Eric, where do I sign up? Okay, seriously, this is so cool. So this is the members area. Okay, and basically all you're going to do is put in your niche. So let's say that I wanted something about kittens. Okay, I have 2 cats. You can hear them. Sometimes some of them float about my videos. So let's say I wanted to do something about kittens. All right, and by the way, you can do this with any niche you could possibly think of. So you simply type it in. Okay, click next. All right, and if you want to, you can be more specific. So kittens and bad behavior, maybe. All right, click next again. All right. And if you want to just stick with kittens, we can do that too. Click next. Okay, and we'll give this as a business name. Kittens are for everybody. Kittens for everyone. Okay, just for the heck of it. create the cheat sheet. Watch what this thing does. This is so cool. I'm going to click download. Okay. Well, yeah, we'll allow that. All right. Now check this out. It creates an instant PDF sheet. Okay. All the information about bad behavior with kittens ready for you to go. Okay. It's going to have every single thing you could possibly need. Copyright kittens for everyone, all rights reserved. Okay. This is so awesome. Basically, you're creating a cheat sheet that you can give away as a bonus. So basically, when people click here, it's automatically going to find everything in Google News and Bing News and Yahoo News and Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Reddit, Tumblr, Pinterest, LinkedIn, okay, Google, Bing, Yahoo, so you get the idea. All these things is going to have everything that involves bad behavior with kittens. And it's instantly ready for you. It's already put together. All you got to do is give this thing out. You've got an instant bonus to give away. So again, when you pick it up from me, what you're going to be getting is my list of 100 top topics that you can make products around. And I'm also going to show you my secret hack that I use to find these top topics. Okay, there's a little known hack that I use that lets me find trending topics that are going to be really helpful for making sales of a product. And this is, again, this thing is going for $17. Okay, let's see if you can see the price here on $17.09. That's insane. Okay, that is absolutely crazy. You can get this software for $17.09. It is so worth it. If you ever have to make a bonus, this makes making a bonus super simple, and you can do it for any niche you could possibly imagine. You create an instant cheat sheet that you give away and sell. My cats are annoyed with me because it's going for so cheap. But anyway, seriously, let's see if I am going to give a tip my hat to the product creator or not.
You the man.
Yeah, you demand. Seriously, I love this thing. This is awesome. I'm going to be using this thing because I think it's really, really cool, really useful. This one for $17, this is a bargain. Go grab this one. This one is so worth it.